Hey guys, it's morning and I'm really walking right now. I'm gonna see water. There's a lot of water and a lot of stream. So I'm walking. My friend's not here. Whatever. So today, this is the second day at the beach. So yeah, basically yeah. So I want to make this video short because I have to go somewhere. Since my dad is not here and I woke up too early, like 6 in the morning. I'm so happy that I wake up a little early then I can make a video. So basically, yeah. So each day I will do something, but today I don't know what to do. So I stay camping. Yesterday and tomorrow and the other day I will stay, but Monday I will go back. I will go back home. Home sweet home.
Hey, you are going to school tomorrow.
What? No! You know tomorrow's not. It's too windy over here. I'm sorry about it. If you cannot hear me good, don't worry. It's too windy. So me and another person, we just throw a few secrets in the water. You guys don't know. You guys don't have to know my secrets. We just throw secrets. One of our secrets in the water. It's okay. We'll let it all out. So I will show you someone who really loves English, really loves vlogs. And she will be one of my subscribers because she don't know I have a vlog. Okay? So I'm really gonna do it. Let's go. So we're right over there. We're right over there. That's my little girl. That's my little girl is over there. Look at that girl. It's a girl. She's up. Say hello to my vlog. Say hello. Just say hi.
Hi. Are you making a skit?
I have a vlog. Did you know that?
Yes. Skit.
Are you sure? Hey!
Freaking blog. You have a blog?
Vlog, yes.
Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube.
YouTube.
Great.
It's Leah Adventure.
Yeah, Leah Adventure. Adventure Leah.
Eventually, yeah.
Okay. Do you want to show them a movie?
Where is it? Let's go see.
Okay, Leah, you're not going to be grabbing my diary anymore.
She have a diary. She have a diary. She have a diary. We're going to see something pointy, and you can die from that thing.
So it's called a sea urchin, and I know almost everything about English.
She's genius. I'm not.
Do you want to hand over the camera?
If you don't let the camera fall, I will surely hand it to you.
It's okay. I'm not going to let it fall. I promise.
Hey, it's filming.
Okay. It's right there. You can see it, and it's called a sea urchin, and I do this stuff too on my camera.
Do you have a camera?
I have an iPad.
Oh, I have
From
it.
from Carol, and she just gave it to me, and I always do skits like tiny movies. They're tiny movies, and you get to dress up and stuff.
Can you tell her your name of your vlog or your video? People want to subscribe to you.
I can't go. I don't know how to go on YouTube,
I can help you. It's really easy.
and I'm not supposed to vlog anything on YouTube.
Why not?
Because you know I have to pay for it.
No, you don't.
It's free.
Yes, it's really free.
Good fun.
Don't worry, I will help you.
I have a lot.
But
of
for
movies.
now, you just have
I have
a movie.
a lot.
She have a lot of movie. She have a lot. So, one day more to vlog everything, and I will post this when I get home Monday, because you know I'm at the beach. We don't have internet. Where are you, internet? Where are you?
You know you're just making yourself feel bad.
No, I'm not.
I don't want to
Look pretty. My hair is really messy.
Why don't we go make a skit? Why don't you go make a skit?
What is that?
It's a tiny movie, and if you put it on YouTube, you get like kind of famous. Like, I want to vlog my things on YouTube, and my name is gonna be like 12 Unicorn Sisters. I've been using that for like in all my skits. I've been saying 12 this makes me what 12 Unicorn Sisters is the mischievous blank. So every time it's like freestyle, mischievous blank.
We have to post that. I think you will be so good at it.
Okay, now
Today's goodbye.
now today's a commercial.
Wait, what?
Bread cracker cookies, bread cracker cookies, bread cracker cookies, again. Bread cracker cookies, bread cracker cookies, bread cracker cookies, la 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 la. Bye everybody.
Hey, wait! Don't do that!
He's our.
Wait.
That's our.
What did you say? Nope. Okay, guys. So I hope you like this video, like always. So I hope you like my videos and stuff like that. So basically now I'm doing more than 1 minute because my other video I think I did 1 minute fit. Today I'm doing 6 minutes. Oh, it's on 6 already. Guys, I hope you like this video. Bye.